Okay, okay, good day. All right, testing. Okay, can you hear? Okay, all right, I think you can hear. So let's continue. So today, this sharing section again, uh, whatever I'm going to share, maybe it's not successful or just some of my own experience on trying on some exercise. So this is just for record purpose. All right. So if the step I provided is not perfect, it's not successful, then going to retry it offline again. So let's give a try on this. So we have Kali, virtual image, and then we need to have one Windows 7 VM. After you download, um, you will have this OVA, this OVF file, OVMDK, MF, okay, this file. So you need to go to your VirtualBox. Okay, you need to go to import appliances. So this is the file you can put OVF. Okay, can you see? This is the file you can have this OVA format, right? So you after you open, press next, then you will come to a screen like you just keep the default settings. There is only one setting you would like to focus is this network network. Okay, this is the one. Then after that, I believe you can just start it. Let's give a try. Okay. Okay, let's give a try. Restart now. See. Hopefully everything okay. I think the one we concern is C can run as administrator. You can use IP config just to see the IP address 10.0.2.6. Okay, keep it aside first. Sorry, just keep it aside first. I think we need a virtual box on the Kali Linux. Why we need these two? because you need to have like one is the one act like the attacker, another act as a victim, something like this. Let's give a try. Okay, still remember this username and password. Okay, I feel a bit lag. Let's see how. Okay, you have one here, one here. So for Kali is ifconfig. For Windows is ipconfig, right? So 10.02.15. Okay, this is the Kali IP. This is the Windows 7 IP. So 10.026. So let's see you can ping each other 10.026. So from Kali, you trying to ping the Windows 7. Okay, from the Windows 7, try to ping the Kali. Okay, so these two, which mean they are have the working network connection, right? So if this stage you having difficulty, then you stop first. You need to check your network connection in your VirtualBox, right? Make sure you are both of your Kali. Okay, the important is this network. You are having network for your Windows 7, network. Okay, yeah. So now you can be back here. So we proceed. Okay, so we want to do some port scanning, simple one. Okay, again, whatever skills, steps, or technique showing here is for educational purpose, and you not supposed to do it to uh, hack people. So whatever you are doing will be illegal, and you should get the approval authority in advance. Okay. So these two are just my image, my VM, my own virtual image. So remember the netcat command. We trying to see whether it's the SMTP port or POP service running on the VM. Okay. So what you need to do is you need to use and see. Okay. You need to know your IP, which is 10.026. Then I need to check the port. Okay, do you know SMTP port? So you have to check for the port number. Let's say SMTP. Yeah, just Google. So you might you will know. Okay, some common port. Okay, what is the port number is available. So what if I try for port 25 SMTP port? Okay, 25. Okay, so do I Okay, let's give a try. Just put like this. So say the port, okay, 220 localhost ESMP server ready. Okay, so how about port number for the port 3? I think port 3 is port 3. So you can just Google it, okay? 10 0 2 6. Okay, port 3 port is 110. Okay, he said okay, okay, some like localhost port 3 server are ready. Okay, so what if, let me see if I can see 26 from M0. Okay, this is some more details, verbose mode. So if I put C 026, oh sorry, okay, 026. Okay, again, you might get a different IP so long your IP is in same range that you should work. All right, so okay, so because I'm in Kalinina, so I have the uh, nmap. Okay, I got the nmap, so maybe we can make use of this nmap just to see all the discover, okay, all the ports. Okay, so give a try. So map, this is the port. Okay, again, if you don't know, you need to put -h. Okay, again, what you learned earlier, -h is for the help. Okay, and then if you want more, you can press man and map. Oh, sorry, and so this is the one nmap. Understand what is this nmap. Network Mapper is an open source tool for network exploration and security auditing. Okay, you can read all these more details for your knowledge. Okay, when you finish reading, press Q. Right. So I would like to know the, just give a try, the basic nmap scan 10026. So it going to start. Wow, eventually it's okay. So he know the port, the host is up, which is my Windows 7 is up. So he say FTP port open, SSH port open, Telnet port open, SMTP port open, finger, okay, port 80 open, port 3 open, and NetBIOS open, HTTPS open, MySQL open, and some of the different unknown ports open. All right, so this is one of the, the technique. Okay, you can use it. Okay, so now we would like to discover full version information about any services running, like give you more info. Okay, and map minus o minus s v minus minus version or then 0 to 6. Oh, okay. Is seems like you need more privilege. What if I put sudo and so minus minus version minus 4 10 0 2 6. Let's give it a try. Hopefully this round is successful. Earlier I tried to perform the fingerprinting for OS scan using Nmap. They say it require root privilege, so I just add the sudo and let's see this round work or not. Okay, just wait for some time. Okay, just wait for some time. Earlier we do it just for some basic Nmap, so we using some basic command to perform Nmap scan. Okay, Nmap scan. Okay, then now we trying to use the Nmap to discover okay, hot informations. Okay, then you can see the more information it trying to give you, then if you have more a little bit more latency. Can you see that? I think 001 and this is 000. So he will give you the version like 21. We say FTP, right? So what kind of version this Windows 7 using? Okay, open SSH for Windows 8.1, Windows XP, Telnet, so Mercury, Microsoft Windows, and so on. Can you see? All right. So port. This is also then port 25 Mercury mail. So he using the Mercury as his mail services, so on, and a lot of information here. OS. Okay. This is the Mac also. Okay. Mac address. Okay. So if let's say IP fix, do I see this? I mean, I don't know. I mean, I give it a try. 08. So I'm trying to 088000027. I think it's different. Okay. 0027. Yeah, it's same. Okay. All right. 080027 7E EP to A. All right. So this is another examples. Okay. All right. Then we need to find okay what port MF scan by default. Okay. What port? Right. Okay. So this one should be no problem, right? So with this minus capital O minus SV capital and version or so he will give a lot of information about the service applications version and the OS. So this netcat actually we get more details. We can also find the version number of the applications. Like from example here we can see something wow Mercury, okay, the new server versions. Okay, so now we trying to do another one. So like by default, Nmap scan 1000 port. There are 1000 port that are most likely used based on some statistic gather. Okay, the likelihoods of the port in use is defined in the Nmap service. Found port frequency. Okay, so we can use this command. Okay, let me try. Map minus P for the port 65535. Basically for all the port 10026. Remember this 10026 is from my Windows 7. Okay, 65535. So as usual, when you want to scan all the port, immediately you can see this doing it for you. You're going to use a lot of the resources like the bandwidth and so on. So, okay, give it a try. So the P option is used to scan all ports or arbitrarily port list range. This scan all the port. Okay, so can you see the difference? So this is you are not using basic scan, you are not using the office scan, you using port scan, port number, like you identify, you specific, you read the port from 1 to all the port 65535. Okay, you scan it. All right, then next we by the way, can you see any difference? Any difference from the here? I mean, uh, if you copy, I mean, I don't know. Okay, just give a try. This. Okay, and then earlier when we use this, this is minus P. This is just basic. Okay. Let's give a C. Can you see if the got more? Is it more? I guess it's more. 21, 22, 23, 25, 29, 80. This one here. Okay, 105 here. Here I don't have. And 35139. 344, 344. Here. Okay, this is another one. Okay, this is some different. This is using the minus P1 65525. This is just a basic scan the IMAP in the port. Okay, it's difference. So next we want to do a little bit like vulnerability assessment, the basic one. Okay, we use the list task tree research. Okay, like I mean Google is always your friend to find out if there is any known exploit or vulnerability for the listed services. So one possible option, okay, we're using the cvedetail.com. So there are only a few services, so it's not a huge job, but don't spend too much time lah. Okay, so you can see that okay, your task tree. Basically, you just need to find some of the tasks. Okay, so you can just copy if you want. click copy. I mean, depending what kind of way you're doing it. See. All right. So maybe this is one of the good way. This is minus O minus S V minus ocean. Okay. Okay, this is another way lah. Okay, so you just have to check. Okay, maybe this. Let's give a try. Okay. No, we should go CVE details. Okay, I think it's this. So here, my product, my vendor, we just put like this. Let me give a try. Ooh. Oh no, what is this? CVE. This is sponsor one, so I'm getting. Maybe is this? Maybe is this? Just give a try. Okay, so earlier what I put, sorry, 0. Aha! So here there are 3 of this. Can you see? I just randomly check. You can do a lot of things. So first, our Windows 7 having this Vizilla, okay, version 0.9.41. So we trying to use this website cvedetails.com, and then we trying to search for the product. Then it come by sorting by the version. So now I'm opening this version. So you can see some, I think some uh, vulnerability. No. Is it something here? Vulnerability 3. I guess maybe it's his fix. Okay. Let me just open again. Okay, this is the one I just okay was found in FileZilla up to this, which means the earlier version like 0.9.41 is still vulnerable. So you can see all these details. Ooh, okay, probably. So, well, I mean, have to read and understand. I mean, try to understand the vulnerabilities, the details mentioned inside here. Okay, I think I pressed this already. Okay, CV 1, 2. Yeah, this is a 3 lah. All right, this is the one I give a try. Well, I mean, can try another one. Okay, open SSH for Windows 10 prototype 2. So maybe we just okay, we come here, we click here, let's see this one, something. Okay, this is sponsor, no, this is sponsor, no, sponsor, I think this is the one. Let's see, open up, open SSH, wow. So I guess they are still having vulnerability. I mean, of course, there is no perfect software, so vulnerability is happen. So the developer or the owner for the product, they need to keep on patching it, improve it, so that it will have all these vulnerable for the hacker or those with the bad intention to hack it. All right. So he gives you the scoring, the impact, and so on. Okay, sometimes allow timing attack. So when you see all these terms, maybe a bit technical jargon, so you can slowly to learn. Okay, make good friend with Google or ChatGPT just to understand more about what is this about this CVE 2024398994. All right. So this is one of the thing. Okay. All right. So there are a lot. Okay, you can just uh, uh, search it. You just have to search it. Okay, from here. Okay, from your result you are getting. Okay, FileZilla, OpenSSH, Windows XP, Mercury, Apache. All right, then a lot of this. So just search it using CVE details just to understand what it is, what is distributions, what is their score, and so on. So of course, I might can't give you all the details or understanding. Just make Google as a good friends. All right. Okay. So now I would like to move on. So now we try to run a script. Okay. Let's give a try. All right. Let me just come back here. Okay. And map minus v verbose minus script smp one minus escalate minus sv minus o capital 10026 the Windows 7 VM. Okay. You need higher privilege sudo and map minus script smp minus one minus star minus sorry s capital V minus o 10026. Let's do it. Kali. Okay. So this is like we want to uh, run some script. Okay, just to see whether we can find any more vulnerabilities. Okay, so basically we run and map with minus script this command against the target. Okay, using the tool set of the script. Now I'm using smp minus one minus star to see if anything I can find. So make sure you use minus capital V for version, minus capital O for OS detection. So um, let's see how it works. All right. Wow, interesting. Okay. So you can see that he can see FTP, SSH, Telnet, SMTP, Finger, Okay, this is about the similar. Then I think he give more unrecognized here. OS, so you can see the whole script result. So he can able to find SMP, Warner, MS17. Okay, this is vulnerable. Okay, so if you want, you can just, this is a quite very detailed, very comprehensive command. If you want, just copy, just in case if let's say want to double check, just so see. Okay, just some of the uh, records. Okay, so which means this Windows 7 is having some vulnerability on this okay, remote code execution vulnerability is from SMP port SMP version 1 MS17010 use the internet information, okay, all this link to find out more details. Okay, so this is 2017 critical vulnerability. Okay, it's target the Microsoft SMP v1 servers and it's high risk factors. Okay, so we have to do something about it lah. Okay, so what else information we can see? Just one moment. Okay, let's give a try for the just now the one we did not try. Just give a try. I think it's one. Okay. Okay, scanning. Just let it running first. So runners is to identify vulnerability on target system based on vulnerability vulnerability data from the vulners.com database. The script scan the target system, provide list of the potential vulnerability along with their CVE identifier. Okay, just let it scan. Okay, just let it scan. All right, you will see happy 27th birthday. Wow, so young. May he live to be 127. NSE, NSE, sorry. So now it's still, woo. Okay, so be able to find. Wow, wow, wow. So says a lot of things. Okay, so maybe if you find this is interesting, then you just save it out first lah. I mean, of course, we can save up the whole information from the terminal, but depend how you want to save all this. Or you don't need to say, you just run the command again and again and again. So that works also. Okay, for me, I just copy. See. Okay. Okay, so I have some of the commands. Okay, I mean, I can put it sleeve to get 6. Okay, this is just get 02.6. Okay, back 10.02.6. Okay, it just works. All right, so let me go back here. So he scanned the file, find the vulnerabilities based on the vulner.com. So it also can find out there is a lot of the vulnerability from the Valsila. Okay, what this? Okay, this is the URL. It's quite a numbers. Then the OpenSSH, also a lot of the CVE. Wow. Then Apache, Windows, Mercury is nothing. Okay, you can see Mercury. But Apache is a lot. Apache, wow. Oh, okay, Apache. So many people want to hack the web server. Not hack, so many vulnerability. Ooh, wow, wow, wow. Okay, until here. All right. So Windows, Windows X, Windows, Microsoft Windows don't have. So, okay. All right. So this is part of it. So now we go for another one. If you want to identify any vulnerability, okay, you need to use this. So I think Metasploit is a tool to automate exploit, which we will use at the later lab report back. Okay. So again, our goal is not to exploit the vulnerability. We just knowledge education. So here, so maybe you might want to just get to know about this. Okay, this Rabbit 7 Metasploit. So you can just type in, maybe what should I go? Maybe just go for wow. So you can see SMP. This one, just now we see, right? Remote code execution, remote code 2017. Yeah, this is the one, right? Just now we happen to see. Okay, let's try for this. Okay, MS17010 Eternal Romance. Wow. So you can see when the detail, the descriptions. actor. This is all the who I think you know who are they? Shadow brokers. Okay, a lot to understand. Well, I mean, again, to understand all this code, you have to put a lot of the efforts, lah. All right. So, um, so this is just some understanding for you to know. Like now, you have all this information with you. So how you going to understand more, or like how to relate all the finding using Nmap. Then you want to dig for more informations about that vulnerability. So what is that? So how? So you need to copy the. Let me see if I copy like this. Straight away copy. See whether it works or not. I give a try. Back to search. Come here. Please enter. Oh, okay, it's here, yeah, see, 017, 017, 017. So 713, 13 is this. Okay, click open. Can you see how I'm searching? Microsoft Windows CVE 20170143, Windows SMP remote code execution vulnerability. Alright, of course, yeah, there's no need, just wait for this information. Okay, then of course this is all 2017, right? So definitely all this vulnerability has been patched. So this is all the solutions. So like a window updates and so on. So it should be patched. Okay. So all right. So when we go for the one, uh, okay. Another way to identify and profile hosts is through search engine. This is a whole topic in itself, but for now we will just use Shodan. You know Shodan? Shodan is a search engine let the user find specific type of the computer, router, server connected to the internet using variety filters. Alright, some have also described it as a search engine of the service panel, which are metadata the server sent back to the client. Get more information. So you can uh, uh, just understand. Let me see. I can open or not. I believe it's. Oh no, sorry. I think can be open. So, okay, this is show that. Another one is called census. Census. Okay, census platform. Wow. Okay. So you need to use Shodan to identify your vulnerable host somewhere on the internet. Consider what you have uh, able to do with this host if you want to gain access. Okay, so you need to find a vulnerable system. There are endless possibility and there are no general solution. So you need to try. Okay, uh, okay, scanning is usually not illegal, but it should not be encouraged. Accessing the vulnerable system is usually illegal, okay, and you not supposed to do it. So, okay, so we can uh, do a bit study, like, is this, let's see, okay, no bite. Okay, find vulnerable webcam across the group using Shodan. Okay, so you can read, okay, give a try how to search for the vulnerable devices using Shodan. But you need to have an account lah. Okay, first, whether using the website or command line, you need to log into the studenthq.com web browser. If you, although you can use without logging in, restrict some capability to all. Okay, you can follow here. You can set up Shodan command line if you're good in command line. Okay, And this control pretty straightforward, but not all of them work without connecting it to your Shodan API key. So which means they know who are you lah, what you are doing. Alright. Search for accessible webcam. There are many ways to find webcam, usually using the name of the webcam manufacturer. Okay, then you can get it. So one of the favorite is webcam XP. Okay, then you can see all this webcam. If I just using this, I mean cam XP. If I mean I don't know webcam XP. I don't know whether this. I mean I don't have any account. Okay, but not so sure whether this is books or not. So United States, okay, Germany, France, Chile, Spain. They got the port 8080. Okay, maybe free account you don't have all this stuff. Oh, I don't know what it is. Okay. Oh, what is this? Oh, interesting. Okay, some of the webcam. Ooh. Oh, okay. Oh my goodness, this is real webcam. Okay, so this is the one of the way lah. Okay, just read the the guide, then do in the command line. So this is the link lah. How to find vulnerable webcam. Okay, for informations for educational purpose lah. Okay, just look into the details, then you can find. And this is an hotel. Okay. Okay, some of the webcam they did not lock with the password and so on. Then you even can give a try on the default username and password. Right? Interesting. Okay. So alright, you can just give a try this, you see. Okay, we can find someone backyard. Okay. You find webcam by longitude, attitude. So you need to explore a little bit lah, so I just walk you through. Okay. Alright. So okay. Another. I think this is also another good article. Okay, 100 plus great Shodan query. Okay, remember the link, then you might learn something from this post. How you're going to find a webcam. Okay, again, do not use it for illegal purpose. Right? So this is just for educational purpose. Okay. So next we want to we want to do something like okay, this one maybe we can do it offline. Okay, just to give you some scenario, then you can identify some technical threat, okay, related to the physical asset, related to the web service offer. Okay, this one we can do it offline, and we can discuss okay, so what is like spoofing? Okay, what is section hijacking on the cookies, spoofing IP on the monitoring system, phishing credential, no training, impersonations of the employee, high turnover, okay, tampering, reputations, okay, integrities, SSLv3 susceptible to man in the middle attack, brute-force user passwords, okay, DOS client, server, no load balancer, okay, so on. So evaluation vulnerability on the server, so on. Okay, so now we want to go for another one. Let me see, I can still yeah, coming here. Okay, so if we can try to um, install, okay, we can install, let me see. Okay, this is the guide how to install OpenVAS on Kali. Yes, we can just give a try on this. Okay, let's doing it. Okay, sudo pt get install. Okay, if you worried, then you just go for the general one lah. Okay, you apt get update, apt get upgrade, apt get install GVM start. So of course I'm just setting up. This is very new, so I just sudo apt get install GVM start. Okay, let me try. Yes. Okay, while waiting for this, so basically this is like to install a vulnerability scanning tools OpenVAS or GVM. So we just want to learn a little bit more. Then after that, say then we need to GVM underscore setup, GVM setup. Oh, sorry. Okay, he's created a role with it. We try to download notice file. Okay, just let me see whether I need to configure the firewall things because it say optional. So hopefully no need lah. Just okay. Still waiting for it. After install this, I think we can start using it. We can accessing it at the localhost with HTTP colon / localhost. Should be like that. Okay. So another tools is called Nessus. Nessus, you need to register. Okay, you can access Nessus within. Okay. Access using another point. Just wait for a while. And it's downloading, right? I believe. Is it done? No? Okay, it's still downloading. Okay, give a second. Not so sure. Running as well, switching to trying to acquire the log. Say my internet was an issue. Hmm. Sudo GVM setup. Start the PostgreSQL service. Creating GVM certificate file. Creating PostgreSQL database. Creating database user. Creating database. Creating permissions. Applying permissions. Okay, downloading. Notice file. Is it done? No. Oh, this is another file. The sound is a lot. Notice file. One is NASL. Okay, just give a second. Well, I guess is maybe the file is big, so it's going to take more time. Okay, longer time. Just wait for a while. Okay. So what is this Notus file and what is this NASL file? So I do a little bit search. So Notus file is a component of the OpenWAS scanner, part of the Greenbone Vulnerability Management (GVM) Greenbone Vulnerability Management Suite. So Notus provide information about the vulnerability and is a replacement for the traditional NVT network vulnerability test script. So Notus files are the primarily used for the local security check, okay, LSC, where OpenWAS check the configuration and the status for the software on the target host. Uh, so by analyzing system data such as patch level, configuration file, and registry setting. So these files are continuously updated to include information about the latest vulnerability and security check. As a result, OpenWAS need to download the Notus file during the setup. Okay. Another one, NASL file, is the Nessus Attack Scripting Language file. Okay, NASL, Nessus Attack Scripting Language. File are script written in a language similar to C, designed specifically for vulnerability detection in network hosts. So NASL script, okay, part of the NVT, Network Vulnerability Test, NVT, that OpenWAS perform. This script check for specific vulnerability by simulating attack or querying system configurations. So NASL file are the backbone of OpenWAS scanning capability, enabling it to perform detailed and accurate vulnerability assessment. So why it taking so long is because it's a large number of the files. So OpenWAS system rely on thousands of the Notus and the NASL script to detect a wide range of vulnerability across different operating system, applications, network, device. But this is kind of like, what is this file? Okay, is again another file. Okay, so well, it's Okay, so usually the initial setup you're going to take more times, so subsequent update will take lesser time, right? So SCMP. Okay, so SCAP data is security content automation protocol. It's a framework of standards managed by the National Institute of Standard and Technology (NIST) for managing and automating vulnerability security configuration and compliance checking. SCAP data include multiple components and is integral to OpenWAF compliance scanning capability. SCAP data, okay, SCAP, right? So one, two, SCAP data includes CVE, CVSS, CPE, OVA, XCCDF, CVE list. Okay, so it looks like this will also download file, right? Well, I think just have to uh, give 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 some time, right? Just choice have to just give some time for it. So okay, just have to just wait. For, trees. One, project Kali. Wow, it's really taking uh, a lot of time. Okay, hold on. Okay, I try to Google. They say half hour needed, maybe needed half hour because of the Notus file, NASL file, SCAP files are big files. Just wondering here. Okay, GVM, GVM, GVM start, GVM stop. Just give one. Okay, nope, it's not okay yet. So I try to uh, you know, just reading some of the posts in the internet. So it is really taking a lot of the time. Okay, in the Kali Linux. Okay, the downloading part. So installing the Open VAS. Okay, this is the steps. Right, then sudo install apt install Open VAS or GVM. Okay, you see GVM. Okay, then after that, yeah, so continue. Okay, still reading. So come here after installation, then you can see here. Okay, later lah. After install done. Please note the password for the admin user. User created with password Wow, this, can you remember this? Difficult, right? All right. So when you have to verify the installations, GVM dash check dash top. Okay, then done. Then did you forget to note down a password? You can change the admin password using the following command. Okay, gmp dash dash user admin dash dash new password. Okay. Then the next step is accept cell sign certificate warning and use automatically generated admin certificate to log in on the web interface. Okay, then after that, you can starting and stopping the open vars. Running this command. Can you see it? Woohoo! Here. Okay. Also here. Woohoo! Here too. Interesting. So what are the difference? So the confusion, I think, is because the earlier version, the term open vars was used to refer the entire suite, including the management and the reporting tools. However, as the project evolved, it was rebranding to Greenbone Vulnerability Management (GVM) to better reflect its broader scope beyond just scanning. So tightly integrated. So OpenVAS is a core component of GVM. So users setting up GVM will also install and use OpenVAS by default. This seamless integration make it easy and combine of these two lah. OpenVAS is the scanner engine detect vulnerability. GVM is a comprehensive suite that includes OpenVAS along with other components for managing and reporting on vulnerabilities. Uh, Let me see. Is it done? Is it done? My goodness. Okay, so it's okay. Still need to wait for it. I think because I think the connectivity, my bandwidth is not so good. Maybe just give it. Just wait for it. Alright, just wait for it. Okay. Choice. So what else? So another one is like I also can download Nessus. Okay, Nessus. Save files. So if I go for Nessus, this is slow. Let me see Nessus. Okay, Nessus. Just to double check my no my this is 64 Debian. Okay, Nessus. Sure. analysis can use or can. Is it done? No, it's not done yet. Just have to. What is this? Uses can use it in the nexus is can be used in the curry in in well, I think Kali Linux is deviant. So this is the checksum. This one I cannot show. Just screenshot. This is another screenshot while waiting for setting up the GVM, the open bus. This is Nexus installer checksum. Okay, so if you download, then this is the checksum for the I want to put it into the Kali Linux, so it's going to be my say uh, if okay, it's really slow. So slow. Okay. Just try, wait, just wait for it. It's still downloading. Yes. I don't have any other thing to show right now. So I'll just waiting for this uh, SCMP file to be completed, set up, downloading, sorry, downloading into the GVM or the OpenVAS. I mean, I wish to show you guys what I am doing, but if this is taking too much of time, so no choice. I mean, I just can like showing you guys the the like for example, this is the one I get credit to the grids for grids. Okay, so after you download, you I believe you're going to verify your installations. Okay, then you can do a password reset. Okay, because some people will forgot the password because it's too long or something. So you starting and stopping the open vars. Okay, this looks like. Okay, you can run the command from your this button, Kali Linux button under the vulnerability assessment. So GVM. Of course, you will have another one open vars, but you go for GVM, I guess. Then start and stop. Okay, using the command. You don't know, just sudo GVM start to stop, sudo GVM stop. And this is the one, create a new user lah. Easy, create another admin. Okay, create another admin. So okay, this is something we can do right now. Okay, so hopefully it's done. Let me see. No, it's still downloading. Okay, so once you completed this, then you can use sudo gvm start, sudo gvm dash start. Okay, sudo gvm start, this one, sudo gvm dash start for starting. Okay, then you need to open your web browser inside your Kali. Okay, you just have to just putting in like https your localhost 127.0.0.1. Okay, then regardless the port, I think the port will auto assign. Yes, ignore the cell sign certificate error, and you can go to the configuration. You put the target. Okay, like my Windows 7. Then you need to go to scan, new task, then you initiate the scan. Okay, well, I guess that's the thing I can showing you while putting you guys waiting for me on this downloading. Okay, well, I mean, how long I'm doing my is like 1 hour 30 minutes 35 minutes. Okay, so for the Nexus, basically you need to uh, uh, put in an email to get the activation code, and then you need to choose the right platform for your installer. Okay, so I suggest you can download inside your Kali Linux, so you can automatically look for you your platform, your Linux. So Kali Linux is using Debian 64-bit. Okay, which means you need to find Linux Debian AMD 64 for the Nexus. Then you download. Then let me see if I can chance I showing you guys another round upload. Okay, so then after that you need to like registering the accounts lah. Okay, you need to running some commands. I'm not starting yet, but that's some of the thing you can give a try. So like for example, while waiting for that, I mean I just don't mind just showing you guys. So I'm also learning lah. Okay, so go to Nexus, download, make sure you're using Debian. Okay, if you are using Kali Linux, make sure your version updated. Then you go back to your Kali, open terminal. Okay, you see where you are downloading it. If you download in your Windows, then you need to put into your share folder. Then you drag it. Okay, if you allow the share clipboard, drag and drop. Okay, otherwise you will see where you download. Okay, if you downloaded from the Kali Linux itself, it should be in the download folder lah, I think. Okay, then you need to write the command sudo dpak, okay, minus I Nexus version minus, this is examples, you follow yours. Okay, like this. An example, you download this, and you trying to using this command to reduce any resolve any dependency. Then you need to start. Okay, sudo system cmctl start Nexus d dot service. Okay, enable it also, and then you verify, you check whether it's running. And to accessing it, also using your localhost, you open the web browser in your Kali, then you open this localhost, the port 8834 for the port, and then now you again it's a self-censored, so you need to accept the risk, proceed anyway. Then you need to key in the details lah. Okay, because you are using the free version, so you need to enter the code, activation code. All right, then maybe you need to download some plugins, and then once you're ready, you open again your Nexus web interface, and you can start doing it. Okay, so this is for the Nexus. Oh my goodness, so now it's another file. Okay, cert file, then now gvmd file, but so many files. Okay, checking. All right. Okay, so I done it. So I should copy this one, right? Okay. Let me just quickly copy first, just in case. One. Okay, my machine become a bit laggy. This one. Okay. Since it's done, then I just quickly do it. Let's do it. Okay. I guess we can have this let see if sudo gvm start, give it a try. password for Kali. Oh, okay, this is the cell size. Okay, you can see the cell size. No info. View certificate. Just want to know. Okay, GVM user Kali. Right, this is the cell size. Okay, go back here. Accept the risk and continue. Okay, so this is the count. Well, I mean, so I need to give a try first. I guess this is the password, but I'm not so sure whether this is such complicated. Just see. Oh, it's what? Okay. So I'm just a simple admin. Okay, so I can go to configuration, target, target. See the target? How to add a target? Up. Oh, I think this one. New target. I don't know. Win 7. Testing. Well, I guess I say first. No, giving host. Oh no, giving host is invalid. Host. Okay, should be 10, 0, 2, 6. This is the host, right? In try. Okay. Scan. Task. Task. I schedule. Can I scan now? Is this something I need to create? scan config is this. So maybe I need to select something. Let me just cancel. Tags. Visit. If I just using visit, okay, here you can jump, give a try. Cannot find config. What is this? Is something written here? No. Yes, I have to troubleshoot a little bit. But again, as I said, if anything of my walkthrough these sharing sections is not work, then I'm trying to continue in the offline. Okay, I don't know what is this. Just give it a try. Okay, so maybe I don't know. Maybe I have to, uh, remember earlier he said that, uh, you see here, maybe I need to perform on this GVM dash check dash setup GVM dash to check if everything is okay. So maybe this one I just sign out. See, maybe I just closing it first. Don't know. Then GVM dash check that's set up right. Oopsie. Sudo GVM dash check setup. Okay. Then give a try again. Stuff here. I'm trying to stop the services. Okay, and then start. Hopefully this round is okay. The default address is either your computer. So my computer is 10.02.15, right? Is this? Scan target. Scan config is not working. If I do not, I just simply go to stop it. How it looks like. Stopping. Very close my browser. See. So just closing it. Closing it. Then sudo J.Y.H data. SAP. Okay. Oh, sorry. Sudo system city restart GVME. Not found. Open was scanner. Okay. Okay. Is there something I did wrong? Zero dot two dot six. Can I one time? My God. So something wrong with my installation or what happened? Can I do this? Task. How about I just do like this? System. So fast? See this done. Something just not right. Okay, maybe I need to this round. Let me try to so user J.H to create the new so the simple one is the website. So yeah, I have to move it to my another uh camera. Dash to user admin tool dash to okay. From here admin tool delete right. Oh, wait, 1 minute. I thought I create another one. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5, right? 3 6 8 2 what? Okay, let me just put in this. Oh, see, interesting. Create a task. Spend the card, scan, and under the task, there is a new task. Six. Listing, scan, insert. This is okay. Oh, did I do something wrong? Testing. Well, I guess I having some issue here. Okay, so I need to solve for this one. Otherwise, I can't perform the scanning. Well, I don't know. I can't scan. I can't use the. How about this? Start to swim. Start immediately. Start date. Start immediately. Something wrong. I can't start immediately. Something wrong with my scan config. That's why I have to do a bit my study and see how to fix this thing. Otherwise, not going to help. So I'm very sorry today for this last part. Okay, open box. So it's not successful. So, well, I mean, maybe next time then only can show you again. All right. So with this, I would like to summarize. So, uh, today we try some of the netcat command again. We're trying to scan the SMTP port 25 and the POP3 port 110 on our Windows 7. Okay, and then we also use nmap, okay, basic nmap, and then some of the parameters, some switches to get different results. And then we also trying to learn how to open up CVE, uh, the website like CVE detail, CVE biter, to check against all the vulnerability version of the application or the software or the component in the Windows 7. And then we try to read through, trying to get some understanding. And then also we have used nmap to run a script on the SMP minus VULN. And then we try to, another one is runner, the script. And then also we're trying to use the the, uh, the shorthand, the basic, the very basic, only just to see if you can use all what you learn, find the vulnerable like the webcam using the shorthand, but you need to register an account. Okay, whatever you learn is for educational purpose. And then there is one I skip because that one I think we can try it out offline. uh, you are given the scenario and you need to identify all the threats. Okay, and then some additional, you need to install a GVM or OpenVAS. Okay, and then but I'm stuck here. I mean, downloading done, is setup done, but I couldn't initiate the scan. It seems like I'm looking for the guide from the internet. It seems like something due to my GVM database, so it is not synced. So I might need to rebuild the GVM database. So that's hurt, that's pain, but well, I need to give a try lah. I need to try lah. One moment, GVM minus minus user equal admin uh, minus minus row equal sudo gmp. What is this? Okay, I think another one is admin tool, right? Tool. Yep. Sudo gmp a fixing is already running. Fail to rebuild NVT catch. I see. So I need to stop it. If my understanding is correct. Stop. Stopping. Okay. Rebuild. So fast. Sure. That's amazing. What time? Start. Recording. Is using the port 9392 in my, for me, but I don't know your port. Okay. Okay. So where's my admin tool? I think I have another admin, right? But where's my admin tool? Okay. So that's the thing now. I don't know what I need to do here. And this one should be easy to should be easy. Something wrong with this. Oh my goodness. Looks like I have to reinstall the thing. I don't know what happened. And well, I mean, but sometimes it's just happen. So just have to you know, keep on trying. Then we will learn eventually. So sudo pt get remove gm. Okay. Just wanted to double check. Okay, it's gone now. Sudo pt get install. Okay, go. Alright, so if I start now, it's not going to work, right? Here, sudo gvm start. Start. I want to create another user. Just try. Sudo run user to user and sorry, 6. Oops. Wait, let me just want to do some quick tasks. Okay, just stop. No, something not right. Okay, well, I mean, have to stop the thing and then I have to uh, give a try. Okay, so well, it's 2 hour plus 2 hour and 25 minutes already. So, well, I mean, I'll take a break first, then see how to resolve this. All right. Thank you for those who still with me here. Yeah. See you next time. So no worries. So okay, I'm going to stop the recording.